Hello, today we're going to talk about the big and little step-by-step with levels dedicated speech-generating devices for augmentative and alternative communication. Both the big and little step-by-step with levels are often referred to as sequential message communicators because they play back a series of messages in the sequence that they were recorded in.
How was your day?
My day was wonderful. How was your day?
Sequential messages can be used in reading a story, counting, asking a series of questions, participating in a conversation, and more. Every classroom and resource center should have a big or little step-by-step with levels in their toolkit. While both of these communication devices look different, a majority of the features and functionality are the same. The main difference between the big and little step-by-step with levels is the size of the activation surface. The big step-by-step with levels features a large 5-inch activation surface, while the little step-by-step with levels features a smaller 2.5-inch activation surface. Both devices include 4 colored switch caps that can easily be changed to meet the needs of the user. A clear snap cap that attaches to the colored switch top is included and is used to attach a picture symbol to the device to help reinforce what will be said when the switch top is activated. A 3.5mm 1/8-inch switch input jack and toy appliance output jack are included on both devices. Lastly, both devices feature 3 recording levels. These levels enable you to record 3 separate sets of messages with a total record time of 4 minutes to the device and then use them as they are needed throughout the day. Setup of the big and little step-by-step with levels is easy. Before getting started, insert a 9-volt battery into your device. The battery door is found on the bottom of the device. Once the battery is installed, you are ready to begin recording your sequence of messages. To start the recording process, select the level you would like to record to. Turn your device on by moving the volume control to the on position and turning the volume up about halfway. Press and hold the record button until the red record light turns on, then release the record button. Press and hold the switch top down until you hear a beep and talk into the device to record your message, and repeat to record more messages. When you are done recording, press the record button again to exit record mode.
How was your day? My day was great.
Now that you have your sequence of messages recorded, you can change the color of the switch top, add a picture symbol, or attach an external switch to meet the accessibility requirements of the user.
How was your day?
If you would like to activate a switch-adapted toy or appliance when a message is played, there is one additional step that needs to be completed during the message recording process. After you have recorded a message, continue to hold down the switch top on the device and quickly tap the record button. This will program the device to activate the toy appliance output jack when the message is
How was
played.
your day?
You can assign the activation of the toy appliance output jack to one message or multiple messages on the device. Once you are familiar with the message recording process, you will be able to easily change out messages on the fly to meet the needs of almost any communication scenario throughout the day. To learn more about big or little step-by-step with levels from AbleNet, or our entire line of products, visit us at www.ablenetinc.com.